Okay, so I found a 3060 Ti graphics card. Here's what I did. So I know you're probably wondering, how did I do it? Did I put an ad on Craigslist asking to give away my firstborn son for the 3060 Ti? I know a lot of you guys like me are probably tired of searching every day, scraping the wheels of the internet, looking, just digging into the internet, absolutely scouring the internet, just waiting for the 3060 Ti graphics card to be for sale. So I actually found it, but how I did it was I went onto Amazon, I went onto Facebook, I went onto Best Buy, I went onto Walmart. Get this, I went onto Newegg, all sold out. I'm sure you guys are dealing with the same crap right now. So my method of getting this done was I first checked two sites, and I actually found two. The first site I checked here was eBay. So eBay, you have the private sellers who are looking to get rid of their items. Now there is going to be a markup on both of these methods, but you will get yourself your very own 3060 Ti. The other thing you're going to want to know is that you have to take precautions when dealing with these private sellers. So I would recommend staying with eBay, although I went with Facebook. I found 3 sellers on Facebook and 2 on eBay. One thing I looked for on the Facebook sellers was I looked into the Facebook profiles and I made sure that those sellers had a legitimate profile. Look for positive ratings. Look for long time standing on Facebook. You can do this by checking their profile. The other thing I made sure to do was I made sure that the person had a Facebook profile picture. Because the last thing you want to do when you go for that 3060 Ti is drop a deposit and boom, you have no graphics card. Personally speak for all of us and say I am hyped to get that card in the mail. So I have an arrangement with the buyer where he's going to have the card in a couple of days. Today is Thursday. He said he should have it on Saturday or Monday. So once I get that card, the first thing I'm going to be doing is plugging that into my gaming PC. The basis of this video is don't go off the sites right now. You know, if they come up during this time, then great. Get it while you can. Get it for the same price that they're selling it for. But now the good news is that a lot of these sites, a lot of these private sellers, they might have a markup, but some aren't marking it up too high. See, myself, I actually scored mine for 1,400 Canadian dollars, which is not too, I mean, it's pretty marked up. But if you guys want something more towards the price that they're selling it for, and you guys want to find that graphics card, then what you should do is set alerts on all of the sites I listed. Set your alerts on Amazon. Set your alerts on Newegg. Just make sure the second that alert comes in, if you're working, you stop, go for a coffee break, buy the card, because the thing is, these cards, they're gonna just keep pounding out. What a lot of you are thinking is, well, I already checked Facebook, I already checked Kijiji, I already checked eBay, I can't find anyone. Change your district location. If you're going with Facebook, contact the buyer and ask him if he can mail the product to you. You pay the shipping expenses. I guarantee if you open up that search radius on Facebook or change your destination target search, I guarantee you will find the product. I guarantee you will find the 3060 Ti. Now this method I have of madness, it also applies to a few other cards as well. I know the 3090 Extreme, I found one of them. So that one's a little bit more rare. But now if you guys want to get into something like the most newest products, then you guys gotta be prepared to spend a little bit extra money. Unless you're one of the lottery winners who actually were able to buy the product the second it was released. So let's recap here. Where do you find the 3060 Ti? Well, like I said, you can check the Amazon site, you can set alerts for the new posting of the Ti, or you can go direct through private seller, pay the markup. You can keep notifications on Newegg, Best Buy, and Walmart for when they do come in stock. Or you could be an idiot like me and you can pay a little bit extra but get the product sooner. I prefer personally having the product sooner. but it's up to you guys. So if you guys do decide to go with the private seller, just make sure you're taking the precautions necessary. Some of what I said was helpful. If it was, give us a comment, drop us a like, and if you do like this content and you want to see more like this in the future, hit that subscribe and notification bell. Now, this is again Teck Titan back. As I've stated in previous videos, I will be releasing a new video every 2 days for the next 2 weeks. Thank you very much, guys, for coming. Check out our newest content below. I think I got some great stuff down there for you to check out.